This is El Moro Pigeon Show. I'm your host, El Moro. Today I'm doing a toss. Welcome, everybody. I'm doing a toss from maybe 12 miles. It's not really a toss. It's kind of close, But I'm taking Cutie, and Cutie only done 2 miles. So it's just gonna go from 2 to 12. That's my wife's bird. And that's from the east. That's a new direction. Okay, here we go. And here we got, it's on 0. Garbage day today. I'm taking them on the highway. Man, I got my seatbelt on. Yep. I'm recording everything. See that little 01 right there? I just keep it here because, I'm gonna put this in the internet, so I don't want people to know where I live unless I give them my address. So, traffic, here we go. I am taking my birds. Maybe, I don't know, I think I'm not sure if it's 12 or 13 miles, but it's around there. It's 12 or 13 miles. I'm taking only a few. See that? I really don't have a lot of room. I need to give myself a little truck or something, or an SUV or something, because I don't have a lot of room, and I have to put one on top of the other. I didn't feel like doing that today. Besides, I only took the ones that had all the flights. There's 1 or 2 there that have, they're growing number 10 right now. It's 12 miles away. They fly a lot around the loft. I think they'll be okay. The thing is that there's a lot of hogs and around here right now, man. I just put a video where the hog chased my Spanish powder hen. So I don't think I'm gonna let the Spanish powders out no more because, well, maybe in the afternoon, sometime in the afternoon when I'm there, but I'm never there in the afternoon because I'm at the karate school. But maybe Saturday afternoon, Sunday afternoon, I can probably let him out, Yeah, so here we go, guys. It's a beautiful day today. It's all blue sky. And it's big old trucks. Yep, I'm passing. And it's beautiful. I think, I don't know, I didn't check the wind, man, but every time the wind is cool like this, the wind is either from the north, northeast, or northwest. And it's low, maybe like 11 mile per hour wind, maybe less. Around 10, 11 miles per hour. I haven't checked yet, but I know I can feel it. I can feel it. So last time when I let them out, and I don't know if it was the hens or it was the cocks. When I let them out last time, I let them out from here, 3.9, which is, I'm gonna pass it right now. But right now we're going farther. Yes, sir. It's beautiful out. at that. Let me hold my phone because I don't want to drop my phone. Hey Tony, what's up? I know you're watching my video. You say you always watch my videos. So what's up, my brother? What's up? Fred I love. What's up, Vinny? Shout out to everybody. The real palomeros out there, everybody that comment, you know. Phoenix, I think it was Phoenix Loft. I don't remember all the names, but I know you guys comment on my video. I really appreciate that, you know. We got yeah, y'all got my number. You guys can call me anytime. I'm busy all the time, man. You know, but you guys can call me. You know, we can talk. Everybody busy. It's not only me. Everybody busy in this country. You know, we gotta do what we gotta do, man. You know, so, but it's always healthy. Very healthy to talk to your friends, especially if your friends are fanciers, man. Hard to talk to people. I mean, be surprised how many people don't know nothing about pigeons, and they don't like pigeons, and they think pigeons is insignificant. You know? Yeah. When the whole communication break down, and there is no communication, and then you're gonna have to resort back to homing pigeons. Then they be coming to us. Hey, can you send a message? No, that's not the way it works, man. You know, this is the way it works. And you gotta teach them the way it works, you know? Beautiful, beautiful country out here. I love it. I love it. And where I'm going right now is nice, man. By the way, that was where I let them out the last time. Man, I don't know if I'm gonna do. Yeah, I do 12 miles. Yeah, I'm gonna do 12 miles. 12, 13, yeah. I gotta think. Cause I got a couple of youngsters there that the flights are not completely, but I mean they're pretty. They fly around the loft, man. You know how it is in this. In this sport, man, you get undecided a lot. Come on, tell the truth. Oh, I only want 2 birds. Well, 4 birds. Oh, I'm gonna get rid of these birds. I'm gonna get rid. Yeah, I'm getting rid of these birds. Well, I don't know. I don't know if I should. Yeah, that's it. That's it. I'm getting rid. Come on, you know how it works. That's it. I'm getting rid of 4 birds. Here. I'm gonna sell this for. I don't know. Yeah, come on. Who haven't done that? Come on. Tell the truth and shame the devil. You know. Oh, I'm gonna start having pigeons now. I only want 4 because I don't want too many birds. All of a sudden you got 12. All of a sudden you got 18. You know, oh, 2 more. All of a sudden you got 20. Then they start having babies. Oh, but wait a minute. You only wanted 4 birds to begin with. Man, you know, so, I don't know. Maybe I do less than 12. Oh my gosh. See, I'm taking that bird Cutie from like, what is it? Nah, he did. Yeah, I think he was in the 3.9. Yeah, he did this. Yeah, 3.9. He was in the 3.9 bunch. So from 3.9 to 12. Yeah, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. Just thinking about my wife. Nah, that bird's gonna be fine. It's gonna come back. Oh, I got all Spanish Parrots, and I got my chocolate bar Bastine. I got that bird from Abraham. I got my chocolate bar Bastine there. Then go from the east. First time from the east. First time from the east. The reason, and right now is, let me see, 6.8. Give me a break, guys. I gotta drink some water. Hold up. I'm at the stoplight. Yeah. These birds got a lot of dust, man. Hey, guys. A lot of traffic here today. I got my mouth covered, see? Because they got so much dust, and I got the windows open. And they start shaking and all that, and then I got all the dust. I don't want to breathe it. But when I start driving, and then everything is clear, and then I can put my mouth cover down. Yo, Tony. What's up, Tony? There we go. Tony's my brother. I can't wait to meet him, man. Maybe one day I go to New Jersey. I just gotta find somebody to take care of my birds. Maybe one day I go there just to see Tony and the pigeon world over there. I know they got a lot of good birds in New Jersey. You know? If I go there, I'll see if I can get some, maybe, I heard they got a lot of good homing, antique homing pigeons there, you know, the antique homing pigeons, man. Those are the ones that I like. I like old pigeons, but for me to have, I don't like to have these new ones that are built for speed. I like the old strain, you know, like the Trenton, Boston, Weg, Jansen. You know, I like those color birds, man. You know, I got the black diamonds now, the black tiger. I never heard of black tiger before, but it's a long distance bird. And the black diamonds, I like those. Trenton Muleman. My red is a Trenton Muleman. See, guys, you can tell I'm going straight. I'm not going around the block. It's a straight road. This over here is called Lake San Souci Estates. So far, it's 8 miles. You know what? think I'm gonna cut it short, man. Man, I'm so undecided about this. Why? You guys get like that too? My gosh. See, I released from here before, see? I released from there before. That's 8 miles. 8 miles. Man, I gotta do it. I gotta follow the vision. I got a vision. You know, sometimes you got a vision, but then voices keep interrupting that vision. This is an animal, this is a veterinarian service here. See that, guys? This is straight road. Yeah, sometimes, you know, voices start interrupting your vision, you know? Well, I see those flags. So those flags, yeah, see? The wind is, oh man, the wind is gonna be on their tail. Nice. See, so the wind is from the east. Not from the north, from the east, which is good because I'm going east. And those flags was moving to the east. You know? Kind of a little windy. Straight road, guys, straight. I'm not going in circles, I'm going straight. You know, you guys can fast forward this if you want to. You know? Look how pretty, man. All this open country over here. You know, there's hogs, there's falcons, there's all kinds of stuff over here. So this is how you know that you're buying good whites. Look what I'm releasing them. They gotta cross all this thing right here. You know? They gotta cross all this. Yeah, they gotta cross all these woods. This is how you know you're getting good whites, guys. Alright? These whites are not gonna sit in your loft. Okay? You can toss them. This is only a few of them. I picked out some youngsters and some middle ones and some older ones. Riverside Resort. Okay, this is not a website. I don't even have a website for the whites. No pedigree, no website. Look, this is what I'm doing right here. That's how you know. That's how you know. Okay, I'm getting closer. 12.3 miles. birds around here, right here, right here. Right here, that's where I listen from. And it's what? Let me see. 12.7. 12.7. And there's rivers around here. There's a river. Peace River is right there. Peace River is right there. Okay, guys, look. 12. You see the dust? You see the dust? See what I'm saying? Look at that. You see that? I want to be breathing all that. 12.8. 12.8 miles, guys. Give me a minute here. And they got a river. See, it says Peace River, Minnesota, right there. You got a river there. Oh, wait a minute. Give me a minute. Give me a minute here, man. Give me a minute here. These birds are heavy, man. They eat a lot. Yeah, I gotta look for hawks here. Yeah, you see. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh, there's a lot of vultures. See, hawks camouflage themselves in vultures. See all those vultures? Yeah, I gotta check really good. That's not a hawk, that's not a hawk. What is that out there? I don't know what that is. Whoa. Wow. Oh, they're gonna have to go fast, man. I don't know if there's some hawks there. All right, hey, give me a minute. I gotta pee. So I'm gonna go pee. Give me a minute. Okay, I'm done peeing. Man, you know what I'm seeing is that there is a lot of vultures. These birds are gonna get so high. They're already thinking we gotta get so high. Yeah, I don't see no hawks, man. Those are vultures. They're vultures. The vultures. I don't see no hawks, but there's a lot of them. See, the thing is that I was just talking to my friend, man. The peregrine falcon gets so high, so high. Oh. But these birds, my birds get high too. They get in the stratosphere. So guys, see, look, this is how I prove my birds. You want proof? No pedigree. You release them in the hog infested area. Look at this. Look at this. Those are not hogs, those are vultures. But, you know, you got You know that the hawks, they camouflage themselves, man. Look how high those birds are, man. See, who's to say there is not a hawk back out there somewhere? What is that? What is that bird? Oh no, that's one of those birds. Oh my gosh. So many. So many. Oh. Anyway, see, this is how you know. I release my birds in hawk infested areas. Okay, these are proven. Whoever makes it there breeds. They don't make it, you know. Hey. So I gotta test my birds, man. I think I'm gonna let them go now. Let me look around, man. Let me look, see if there's any hawks in a tree or something. See, if the hogs are in a tree over here, they're out of luck. That's one of them Coopers. Red tails, let me tell you something. If they don't get them when they're coming out, unless it's a falcon, it's not even. They never get them. These birds are fast. Once they get going in the air and they go high, nah, I don't see it. Who knows? But these birds are so rested right now. All right, guys, here we go. Father, I pray in the name of Yahushua HaMashiach, don't let no hawk get my birds, Master. Protect these birds. I pray for protection. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Gotta keep my eyes open now. That's good. That's good start. That's good start. Yeah. Come on, lift up. Lift up. Lift up. Lift up. Man, you don't understand. This area right here is, look at them. They gotta lift up, man. They gotta go high. They're going in an S. Look at this bird. Would you look at these birds? They didn't even went around, man. They know where they're going. They went in the nest pattern. See, once the birds know where they are, they go like this. S. They go like that, like that, like that, like that. And you know they found their way. These birds didn't even go around. Man, they're going low. See, I did good in bringing them here. Because that little cutie bird, my wife bird, you know, she fed him since he was a baby. And look at that, he came out really good. You gotta check, because sometimes some birds are left, nothing there. You know, man, do you see that? Those birds just went straight. They didn't even circle, bro. They just went here. Now they're gone. They disappear. I don't know if they lift up. Let me keep recording. Maybe they lift up and then they come back this way. I don't know. Because they usually do that. This is the east. Oh, there they go. There they go. Man, they're going fast. I saw them far away. I gotta hurry up because they're gonna get there before me. Oh, let me pick this up. Give me a minute. Hey, if you guys want this carriers here, let me know. I can get you some. Okay? I think they go for like 150 or something. They're good. You just gotta put this, you see this right here? I'll put it there myself. It's just me, my preferences. You can leave, oh, there we go. You can leave it without. Look, see, watch. I don't know if you can see them. I saw them far away. I saw them, I don't know. See, the thing is, man, the bird have to go with the wind, you know? They encounter a lot of things out there in the air that we have no idea about. The wind, the sun, you know, the draft. They gotta go with the flow. Oh, all right, man. That's it. I need me a truck. Nah, that's okay. I'm good, man. All right, guys. So hey, That was it. You know, these are good birds. This is 12.8. This is nothing. You wait. November, come November, I'm going to start releasing them from farther and farther away. Okay? If you guys want whites, all right? They even racing my whites. I don't get them for racing. I don't care. What I care about my whites is that they go home and they make it to the house. That's all I care. I don't care if they take 2-3 hours, make it there first. I don't care. These are long distance birds. Oh, there they go. You can't see them. These are long distance birds, okay? They fly, man. The other day flew for 2 hours. These birds fly, okay? They have a lot of resistance, okay? They didn't go high today, man. They're flying low. They didn't go high. They know what they're doing. They know what they're doing. They know what they're doing. Oh, look. See them right there? They're flying over all these woods. See, but I got some veterans there. They know where they're at. There they go. Look at that, man. That's the middle of the woods right there, bro. Look at them. Look at them. Look, they're coming back this way. You see them there? I don't know if you see them. See that? See that right there? I don't know if you see them. That right there. Okay? They flying over these woods right here. These woods are no joke. Okay? That's 12.8. It's a beautiful day. It's a really beautiful day. It's nice and cool. So, you know, sometimes the birds like to fly. You know, long distance birds, they're not built for like speed. Like they put the batteries on after like 350 miles. So long distance birds sometimes, man, they just like to, hey, let's go cruising. And they go cruising. You know, they look at different places. They know what they do. You know, they know what they do. So what I'm gonna do is when I get to my house, I'm gonna make a short when they come back, okay? All right, guys, hey, man, starting January, I'm gonna have, y'all willing, I'm gonna have a lot of birds for sale, okay? So you guys call me, my birds go for $50 a piece, but since I have so many, I'm only selling for $25 a piece. Okay, for now, but the prices will go up back to 50. Okay, because I got 50 couples, man, 50 pairs, and they're all gonna go together. So I gotta get rid of them, you know. So it's only 25. So take advantage of this offer right now. I'm being brutally honest with you. That's what's going on. Okay, but they go for 50. All right, guys. Hey, you guys, man, love your birds, man. Take care of your birds. Give them vitamins, minerals, amino acids, protein. You know, all that stuff, man. You know, take care of your birds, and you have a blessed day.